You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce the name of this Icelandic symbol. For more names from Icelandic and Norse mythology, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so in Icelandic, it is said something along the lines of Ægishjálmr, Ægishjálmr, Ægishjálmr. Okay, so in English you can say it as Ægishjálmr, Ægishjálmr, or Icelandic again. Let's listen carefully one last time. Ægishjálmr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.